I just moved into a new apartment, hoping for a fresh start. But every night, a rhythmic tapping echoed through the walls, like someone furiously typing. Curious and a bit unnerved, I followed the sound to the basement. There, covered in dust, sat an old typewriter. My heart skipped when I saw a manuscript rolled into it, with my name on the cover page. Each night, the typing continued, and each morning the manuscript grew longer with eerie, intimate details about my life, secrets only I knew. Desperate, I decided to confront the unseen typist. I stayed up all night, watching the basement door. At midnight, the typewriter began its ghostly clattering. I burst in, but the basement was empty save for the typewriter. The manuscript now ended with a chilling sentence, and tonight they found out the truth. The next morning, I packed and left, only to find a handwritten note on my door. "You can,